Another one that I want to highlight is right here. One of our cheapest laptops is actually just going for around 18,000. So we're selling one of these for 14K. It already has 16 gigabytes of RAM, so you're going to be comfortable with your short-term memory, and it has 512 gigabytes of SSD. We have here the Ningmei laptop that only goes for below 10,000. Do the math, you're getting a Ryzen 7 laptop for just 27,000. So the 104 days of summer vacation, but school came along just to end it. So now the annual problem for this generation is, how are they going to upgrade their laptop with how the world is changing? Well, we have a solution right here because we have a back to school sale here at Laptop Factory. First, we're going to look at one of the most useful things that we're offering here is that some, if not all of our HP laptops have free Microsoft Office. This i3 laptop can go for as low as around 25K, and you already have free Microsoft Office for a lifetime, which, if you didn't know, a lifetime Microsoft Office usually costs around 5,000 pesos, so you're actually saving 5,000. So this has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 SSD storage for whatever school tasks you're going to be needing. It's only 14 inches and it's actually super lightweight, so if you're gonna be bringing this along for commutes, this is gonna be perfect. But if you need something with a bit higher specs, we have here a Ryzen 5 variant. You know, the Ryzen 5 is actually good for multitasking. This is a 7000 series laptop, and it can go for as low as around 29K, but if you want something a little bit stronger, it can go for around 31K, but there's also a cashback of 1,000 pesos with this, so you're still going to be saving money with it. So the difference between these two is, if you look right here, it's actually the RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM here, 16 gigabytes of RAM over here, and the RAM is what we would call the short-term memory of the computer, which is how many tasks it can handle at the same time. So if you want something a little bit stronger, just for an additional 2,000, you're getting twice as much as you would get from 29. So maybe that's something you want to consider. Now we're moving over here to ASUS, which is also one of the most trusted brands here in the Philippines. What I want to talk about here is the ASUS Expert Book. If you didn't know, the ASUS Expert Book is actually what they would call a commercial grade laptop. So it has better security, and ASUS goes through military grade testing. So I can hit this really strong like that, and it actually won't break. This is one of the most durable laptops that I've ever seen. And we actually have two variants over here. We have one here that goes for around 22,000 that has an OS, but for those customers of ours that want to install their own OS, like for example Linux, we have one here that goes for just around 19K. So now we're moving on to one of the most trusted brands here in the Philippines. You'll know him, one of my old friends, the one that I reviewed in a previous video, the Acer Aspire Lite. And if you remember that video, I said one of the most important things about this, and one of the most competitive, is the Ryzen 7 processor for a very low price. Well, now because of the sale, it's actually going for an even lower price, just below 30K for a Ryzen 7 laptop. And I want to stress again, this is upgradable. And Acer is actually offering an e-gift voucher worth 2,000 pesos for this, so do the math, you're getting a Ryzen 7 laptop for just 27,000 plus. But the downside is this doesn't come with free MS Office, but if you're going to use Google Docs anyway instead of MS Office, I guess that's a fair trade-off. Ryzen 7 for just 27. Another one that I want to highlight is right here. One of our cheapest laptops is actually just going for around 18,000, and one of the best highlights it has is the eye safe technology. One push of this button and it filters out all of the blue light that comes off of the screen. So let's say that you're cramming a lot of schoolwork, this actually helps with your eye health. And speaking of one of the cheapest laptops, here I want to highlight our cheapest laptops in this sale. First, let's go with the 14K variant of the Ningmei laptop. The reason that this is actually one of the most expensive ones of Ningmei that's coming in this sale, because we know that there are some students out there who only need the laptop for basic uses, nothing fancy, nothing extra, just a laptop that gets the job done. So we're selling one of these for 14K. It already has 16 gigabytes of RAM, so you're going to be comfortable with your short-term memory, and it has 512 gigabytes of SSD. But if you want to go even lower, we have one right here that has a different processor for 13K, and it's actually a lot slimmer than the other one, so it's going to be a lot more lightweight. But if you want to even go lower than that, we have here the Ningmei laptop that only goes for below 10,000. This is one of the cheapest laptops that we have, and we made it even cheaper thanks to this sale. So I showed you Ryzen, and it's only fair I'll show you Intel. This is an Intel Core i7 laptop from Dell, and it's actually one of the stronger laptops we have because it has an aluminum body right here and a carbon body right here. Look, an Intel Core i7 laptop. And fun fact, this is actually the one that Sir Dustin uses. And I actually would recommend this for college students because it's one of our stronger laptops. You notice that some of our laptops go for 512 SSD. Well, this is actually, check this out, 1 terabyte, and it has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, which is actually good for heavy games and heavy tasks. Shout out to my engineers out there who use AutoCAD, and all my 3D artists out there who use Maya. But for all my school gamers out there, check this out. This is our Gigabyte A16 gaming laptop. And as you can see here, it's a little bit weaker. It has an Intel Core i5 instead of an i7, but its graphics card is RTX 4050. Unlike the other one, which is RTX 3050 Ti, this is RTX 4050, so I guess that's the trade-off you're going to be going for. And as you can see, it really does stand out as a gaming laptop. It has an RGB backlit keyboard, which you can just turn on and off, or whatever suits your fancy. The trade-off, of course, is that it's actually cheaper than our Dell laptop. And moving back to HP, they also have a gaming laptop that comes with our sale. This is the HP Victus gaming laptop. It boasts an Intel Core i5 13th gen, and as you know, the higher the generation, the better the processor. For example, an Intel Core i5 13th gen is somewhat stronger than, let's say, a 12th gen i7. And it actually has one of our strongest graphics cards. It's an RTX 5050, and as you can see over here, it comes with free Microsoft Office, so for this price point, you're actually saving $5,000, so let's say $50,000 for RTX 5050, fair. Plus, it also has a Gcash cashback of $4,000 for a limited time, so let's say $54,000 minus that $4,000 Gcash cashback minus that $5,000 that you would have spent on Microsoft Office. This is $45,000 for an RTX 5050. That's a steal already. But back to Ryzen again, and if you're wanting a gaming laptop that has the strength of one but is as slim as a consumer laptop, look no further than the Lenovo Lock. This is actually the one that I use for work. Well, different specs, but similar enough. So I can personally attest to its strength. This boasts a Ryzen 7 processor, which if you know Intel, it's actually equivalent to a 13th or /14th gen. So this is actually pretty strong enough, and it comes with a graphics card RTX 3050. And for the price point and the specs, it's actually pretty competitive already. Yeah, I mean, look at this. From 52K, it goes all the way down to 47K. And I know that there are some of there out you who use multiple monitors for multitasking. Well, we have a bunch here, but the one I want to highlight is LG. It's one of the most trusted brands, and this is actually good enough for multitasking. It boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and is about, let's see, 24 inches, and for only around 4K. Or even below, actually. But you guys better hurry up. This back to school sale is only gonna last until Sunday. Let me just pop up the date right here in the description. And guys, we're just gonna see you here, so get yours now. So I really hope that this video was helpful to you, especially for our students out there who's gonna be facing the new school year. And I guess as a bonus to our office workers, because I know that some of our laptops here, so they could also help you. So guys, watch out for our next store tour and vlog where we're going to be highlighting a new sale that's going to be helpful to you, because even though some of the prices are rising, here at Laptop Factory, we care enough about you and want to help you enough to lower the prices here. So my American viewers, my name is Laz, and to my Pinoy viewers, mabuhay tayong mga kabayan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to go take a nap.